right up under there it's right up under the passenger side lower control arm. There's one bolt with a bracket that holds the two transmission cooling lines up. It's a 3/8 inch bolt that holds it. And the extension is nice on there. Once that's off, we should be able to wiggle the transmission cooling lines out. So they are out. Let's see if we can get a look at the bracket. They're actually connected with that bracket that kind of clamps around them right there. I'm lying. On a closer examination, it's actually two brackets and both using the same bolt hole to bolt it up. They're kind of intersplined together like that with the bolt going up through them all. These cooling lines have obviously been replaced and they're in good enough condition. I think I'm going to put some rust preventer on them and reuse them.